birds learn to fly? Do they just flap their wings and go?
That's a wonderful question, Emma. Baby birds have to practice before they can truly fly.
So they aren't born knowing how?
No, not at all. When baby birds hatch, they are tiny, weak, and very fluffy.
Do they stay in the nest at first?
Yes, their parents feed them, protect them, and keep them warm while they grow.
When do they start learning?
As their wings grow stronger, they begin flapping them inside the nest.
So they practice their wing flaps first?
Exactly. Flapping helps build the muscles they need for flying.
Do baby birds get scared the first time?
Sometimes they do. The very first flight can feel a little frightening.
Then how do they finally do it?
They hop, flap, and glide little by little until they learn how to balance in the air.
What if they wobble or fall?
That's part of learning. Their parents stay nearby, and each try helps them grow stronger.
So flying takes practice, just like learning piano.
Exactly, Emma. Practice and patience help birds learn to fly.
And then one day, they soar high in the sky?
Yes, their wings become strong enough to carry them above the trees and clouds.
Wow, that must feel amazing!
I think so too. Every great flyer begins with one small flap of the wings.
Mini sounds for growing minds!
How do birds learn how to fly? Do they flap up in the sky? How do birds learn how to fly? Do they jump and flap up high? A baby bird stays in the nest, flapping little wings to test. Its parents show it what to do. They fly around and guide it too. Flap, 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 try and try. That's how birds learn to fly. Stretch your wings up to the sky. Flap and learn to fly. Little wings grow strong each day. Soon the birds can fly away.
Do they fly on the very first day? No, they practice on the way.
They stretch their wings and take small hops.
Glide a little, then make stops.
With every flap they learn the sky.
Until one day they soar up high.
Now I know how wings grow strong.
They flap and learn their whole life long.
Flap, 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 try and try. That's how birds learn to fly. Stretch your wings up to the sky. Flap and learn to fly.
Practice helps the young birds fly.
Higher, higher through the sky. Flap, 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 try and try. Try and try. That's how birds learn to fly. Stretch your wings up to the sky. To the sky. Flap and learn to fly.